What's up, y'all? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kasey Freeman, and today is actually going to be like a deep clean, or not a deep clean, but just like a clean with me kind of vlog talk type deal. Sorry about that. Say hi. She's like, now I'm miserable. Okay, so yeah, so basically I'm going to be talking about like ways to live a luxurious lifestyle, I guess, kind of. But I'm going to be cleaning my house while I do that because I needed to film content, but I had to clean my house. Otherwise, one or the other would not have gotten done. So I just wanted to do them at the same time. And then I had to get dressed to do this photo shoot. And I cannot wait for you to see these pictures because Jay got me like fire, 30 minutes in and out. And these pictures are bomb, baby. Listen. So yeah, so that's what this video is about. Just ways to have a luxurious lifestyle on your budget and making sure that you're... So stay tuned, keep watching because that's what's up. And you need those. But how luxurious is your life in your own world? When you get off the plane, what is your life? So I'm actually making the executive decision as head of household here that I'm going to hire a housekeeper. And I say that because I feel like I have a slight touch of OCD. And if I ever see like anything, I'm like, I gotta clean it. So I'm going to hire someone to come in and do an initial like deep clean of my house. And that's like a 4-hour job. And then obviously like they'll come back once a month and I'll just maintain, or once every 3 weeks. I can't remember what the regular schedule is, but it's not every 2 weeks. So it could be 3 weeks or every month. Because I don't want them to come every other week. I don't have like a reason for them to come every other week. But yeah, I was like, I just need somebody to come and help every once in a while, just so I feel like my space is continuously clean. Because that also hinders me from filming content, because then I'm like, well, let me clean up this space before like I start filming content. And then like me cleaning up one space turns into easily like cleaning up the whole house. And then at that point I haven't even filmed any content, but then I'm tired. So I'm just like, let me just have a little help around here. And you make money so that you can invest it back into getting more time. So I'm spending money to get more time in my day. So my cleaning lady is actually coming Tuesday, today's Sunday, to my house to clean, and I'm so thankful. So today, I know it sounds weird to be cleaning, but I cannot start my week off with a dirty house. Like, I just cannot do it. Like, I don't know why, but I feel like my week will not start off properly if my house is not clean on Sunday. So honestly, no, I don't fold my underwear. It goes right there in my underwear drawer. But I clean like stuff like my hats. Because this hat was funky. You hear me? My workout hats. But yeah. So I'm doing like a light to moderate clean. I'm not doing a deep clean at all, actually. And who wants to invite someone to their house for the first time and your house look a mess? No one wants to do that. So I feel like this is now becoming more normalized because of women and stuff speaking up. But I know that there are a lot of women who feel like they're just superwoman, you know what I mean? And always having to do stuff on their own and not really like taking pride in saying, oh, like I've cleaned this or I've done this. And that's great to be like that. But like every now and again, we need help. You know what I'm saying? We can't do everything by ourselves. And honestly, we need to stop like thinking we have to. It's stupid, and it is not healthy mentally, physically, or emotionally, because you're going to have a breakdown if you think you have to do everything by yourself. If you have the money, hire the help to help you. Because, child, we are not in this world alone, and we do not have to suffer in silence. Get help. And I know that sounds like really random, but like I'm talking about when it comes to like cleaning, or if you're a business owner and it's time to like outsource for your help, outsource. Outsourcing is not for just the rich. Hire a maid to come in, a house cleaner to come in every once in a while and help you out. There's nothing wrong with that. First of all, look at Kat. She is living her best life up there. Anyway. So. But I feel like for me, luxury is like convenience. You know? And so I want to pay for convenience. So I do start off by wiping everything down with the Lysol, and then I go back in with some spray, just to get like my hookah stuff. And I just, yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna pay for convenience, like. And I also feel like being luxurious is a state of mind and an internal feeling. It's not just about like what you're wearing or like where you're going. It's about how simple your life can be and put you in a luxurious state of mind. And you need those. But how luxurious is your life in your own world? When you get off the plane, what is your life? Just don't let me catch you on Instagram, flexing for the gram, and then your home life is a hot mess, you know? That's all I gotta say. Because I feel real good in these walls, knowing that I have a system in place. And I will say this too, like for like my business and stuff, like hiring Alicia like as my assistant was probably the best thing that I could do. Period. She has made my life so much better because she does the things that I don't want to do, quite frankly. And I love her for that. And she's so nice. And that's what I mean, hiring help. I've hired a housekeeper. I've hired an assistant months ago. And it's just making your life flow in a fashion that better optimize your efficiency. Well guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate you. Hopefully you got some tips to take away. Like this week, really just think about things that you really don't want to do and outsource your life to things that, you know, make sense to your budget. Because when I tell you, like, from the time that I outsourced, like, my mom no longer doing my pictures, like, Jade now does them. I have an assistant, her name is Alicia, and also just, you know, having a housekeeper come in like once every couple of weeks to like make sure that my house stays like legit will keep my mind at bay. And then, yeah, so just stuff like that where I know that it costs a little bit of money, but I'm getting that time back so I can make more money and focus on other things that I really want to do. So yeah, be sure to just check out your budget before you do this, because I'm never gonna say go in debt to have a lifestyle that you can't afford, because obviously if you can't afford your lifestyle, then it's gonna make you, you know, not like your life. And we want to make sure that you're happy. So, okay, see you in the next video.